Creating low-level and high-level boards in Monday.com involves structuring tasks or projects with varying degrees of detail. Low-level boards. Start by creating a new board dedicated to specific and detailed tasks or granular elements of a project. Define the board's purpose and title it according to the specific tasks or department it represents. Add columns relevant to the detailed tasks such as task names, deadlines, assignees, progress tracking, and any other pertinent details. Populate the board with individual tasks, subtasks, or action items that require close monitoring and detailed management. High-level boards. Create a separate board meant for overarching or higher-level project management. Title the board according to the project name or a general overview of the tasks it encompasses. Incorporate columns that provide a broader view, such as milestones, project stages, overall progress, or key deliverables. Link the high-level board to low-level boards or use linking columns to establish connections between detailed tasks and the overarching project view. Interconnect boards. Use Monday.com's linking features, cross-referencing, or integrations to connect or reference detailed tasks from low-level boards within the high-level board, creating a comprehensive view of the project hierarchy.